All right, so let's go ahead and go with week 2. Here we go. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pay close attention. We've got Katakana, set 2. So we've already got e, u, e, o, ka, ki. Actually, this doesn't have a little bend here. Ki, u, ke, ko. So now we get sashi suseiso, right? Sashi suseiso, haki huke ho. Got to turn this over here so they can see it. So we've got sa, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. We've got she, 1, 2, oops, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. We've got su, 1, 2, excuse me. We've got se. Notice how se looks a lot like the hiragana se, in a way.
Yeah.
They look very similar. And then so, 1, 1, 2, okay. All right. So let's say this together. Sa,
Sa,
she, su, se, so.
So.
Okay, and then ta, chi, tsu, te, to, right? So ta is ku with a little mark. Right? That's all it is. Ta is ku with that little mark there. If you want to know, this is also the kanji for evening. And if you put 2 of these together, this is the kanji for many. This is oi. So oi. So this means many. One of them, this means you, so this is evening. So you might, here's the thing that really might tick you off. You might see this and think that it's the hiragana, but it might be the kanji. Again, it's context clues that are going to clue you into it. And the big thing is going to be, is there katakana next to it? If the answer is yes, then it's probably going to be katakana. If no, it's probably going to be referring to the evening. Or if it's kanji, if there's kanji next to it, like for example, if you put shoku next to it, so eating your food, this is yushoku, so eating at dinner at night, dinner. So ta, chi, tsu, te, so it's to. Now, here's the part that elicits a lot of pain amongst the people. I'm going to go ahead and just pre-teach for you. This is okay? So we've got 4 characters that look a lot alike, okay? We've got chi and tsu, then we've got so and okay? These 4 characters look alike, but they are written quite differently. And this is always how I teach it. Shi is an equal mark and a check. Okay? No Japanese person is going to mistake that for tsu. Okay? Tsu goes down, down, down. Okay? So shi is an equal mark and a check. So it's going up. Tsu goes down, down, down. In the same way, is a lot like shi, okay? It's a minus and a check. So it's going up at the end, So is down, down. Okay? Now, here's the other way you can tell, and this is even more detailed. The fat part of this stroke here is going to be down here. So in writing. So you might even see something like this, but this part right here is going to be the thick part. That's going to be she. That's also going to be Okay, the thick part's going to be down here. With tsu, since your brush is starting here, the thick part is going to be here. Okay? Same thing with so, the thick part is going to be here. And that's the way to remember those, how they're different. Okay? Again, it's quite frustrating, and it takes maybe 10 to 20 to 30 times when you're just reading words. Like if you, shmisonion, you see that she, right? Okay, it's this way. So just pay attention to like every other character, there's not really that look like each other. You know, some use pieces of each other. Like for example, su, this is su, but without the little mark. Without the little mark, it's fu. Okay? So they use pieces of each other, but they don't have any that really look like each other, except for these four. And those four can be quite frustrating. In fact, I remember I had a lot of difficulty with them when I started out learning Japanese. Okay. Any questions about this? Okay, so let's say the second one together. Ta,
Ta,
chi,
chi,
tsu,
tsu,
he,
he,
そしてと。
to.
Now, just remember, if you ever want to, if you need to remember the difference between the two, this is an equal sign and a check. That's how you write it, right? She. Tsu, on the other hand, is down, down, down. Down, down, down. Down, down, down. Okay? So is down, down. Is a minus and a check. Okay? Now again, there are some, you'll see when you start using your katakana on your keyboard, you'll see there's not much difference, but you can see that there is a thickness difference at the bottom or the top. Okay, and the down, down, down ones, it's going to be at the top, right? The minus check, the check is always the big part. Yes?
Will there be any PDF where we can print out the katakana chart?